of course, love summer, but along with warmer weather, longer days, and vacations comes some increased risk for injuries.
Here to remind us to take it slow and safe in the coming months, Katelyn Sandfort, personal injury attorney and partner at Herrling Law Firm. Good morning.
Good morning, ladies.
Okay, so what is the biggest risk on your list for injuries when it comes to summertime?
Yeah, so I think the things to remember is that all those 17, 16, and 18-year-olds that were normally in school are now out for the summer, right? And there's almost no one more dangerous than a teenage driver. So we've got a lot more young people out driving during the day that otherwise would have been in school. Pay attention because we all know, we've been there. I was there myself at one point. Not great drivers when you're in that 16 to 18 range. So that's one of the things to take into consideration for sure.
What are some other injury risks that we should be aware of?
Other injury risks can include things like boating accidents, issues involving water sports. Also, people tend to be outside more, which means their dogs are outside more. People are taking dogs to parks, events. And while I'm a dog lover, I have one myself, not all dogs are always safe dogs. So that's another thing that we see an increase in the summertime is unfortunately dog bites, and something to just be a little bit more careful of.
You know, it's also that time when we want to work on our house, and so we need to consider some things when working on our own property, right?
Yeah, absolutely. Living in Wisconsin, of course, most of us delay those home remodeling projects until the summertime, which means you may have an active construction zone on your property. If that's the case, be really mindful of that. If you've got guests over, anybody who's not readily aware of what's going on, keep them away from anything that might be in a state of upheaval, right? Anything that's getting worked on or that might be a little bit more dangerous than your home would normally be.
Now, if somebody does have an injury, when should they reach out to your team? Maybe they're like, oh, I can handle this. This is fine. Probably connect sooner rather than later.
Yeah, that's absolutely correct. So one of the things I like to tell people is when people call in, I oftentimes, and especially if it's right after an incident that's causing an injury, I oftentimes tell them, hey, let's see how you're doing in a couple weeks. Maybe you don't need our services, right? But I'd much rather have someone reach out right away, and we can give them some guidance as to whether or not they should be retaining a lawyer right away or if they should kind of wait and see. There's no hurt in calling right after an injury.
So we know Herrling Clark is really dedicated to the community, and when it comes to safety, you guys just had a big event, a bike helmet giveaway with Appleton PD. How'd that go?
It was a remarkable success. That was such a natural partnership for Herrling Clark and the Appleton Police Department. The kiddos were super excited about the bike helmets, and honestly, anytime that we can connect with our local law enforcement agencies and have a partnership with them, we are really enthusiastic about that opportunity.
Well, there's another safety reminder for summer. Wear those helmets, young and old.
Yes.
You're going to find Herrling Clark offices in Appleton, Green Bay, Oshkosh, and Wapaka.
You can reach out at 920-739-7366 or herlingclark.com. Thanks, Katelyn.
Thank you so much.
Have a great, safe summer.
Yes, thanks. You too, ladies.
Thank you.